So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Python for Data Science Week 0 Assignment 0. So the first question is Statistics and Probability is the title of a book. If each letter was carved into a block and dropped into a bag, what are the chances a person would draw either the letter A or I from the bag? So these are the options and the answer for our first question is A 7 by 24. And now let's go to our question number 2. A manufacturing company is set up in two different locations. If the number of employees in one location are 663 and the average monthly salary for their employees is $13,454 and the number of employees in the other location are 504 and the average monthly salary for their employees is $17,591. Find the combined arithmetic means of the monthly salary. So these are the option and the answer of our second question is C. $15,240.67. And now let's go to our question number 3. Given two samples, sample 1 this and sample 2 this. Find the sample which has a relatively greater spread of value from the mean. So these are the option and the answer of our third question is A sample 1. And now let's go to our question number 4. Given below is a tabular data on a test conducted recently to detect a new mutant of the coronavirus. So this is the table and these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is D 173. And now let's go to our question number 5. Given a pie chart that indicate the expenditure of a manufacturing organization toward various activities, what is the ratio of expenditure for the R&D department to the marketing department? So this is the pie chart and these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is C 1 ratio 0.44. And now let's go to our question number 6. Ben is the customer relation manager at a hotel. Recently, Ben has been receiving customer feedback saying that the customers had to wait too long to be served by a customer service representative. Ben decided to note down the customer's waiting time in minutes. What kind of a graph would be appropriate to check the frequency distribution of customers' waiting time? So these are the options and the answer for our sixth question is histogram. And now let's go to our question number 7. Three natural numbers are chosen at random. What is the probability that their product yields an odd number? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is A 1 by 8. And now let's go to our question number 8. The mean of the first and natural number is, so these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is C bracket में n plus 1 slash 2. And now let's go to our question number 9. 128 players are participating in a knockout tournament. How many games are required to decide the winner? So note is in a knockout tournament, whenever two people play, the loser is eliminated and the winner advanced to the next round. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is B 127. And now let's go to our question number 10. Given x1, x2, x3 and so on xn are the possible values of a random variable x and p1, p2, p3 and so on pn with the corresponding probabilities to each value of the random variable. The mean is computed by the formula. So these are the option and the answer for our 10th question is P. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.